Double Diamond Railroad back on a special session on a Monday morning. We got to get the lumber moving. Need lots of lumber for rebuilding after all the storms. And we got some orders to get more in the distribution center. They're running thin over there. So that's what we're doing today. Just going to play it by ear. See how the cards fit in for the orders they got for, let's see, it'd be 4 loaded cards, box cards. And we got to pull the empties out that were sitting there, center beams and a box car. So let's get going here. And we'll get on the ground, throw that switch. So this is going to be tricky at first. We got a grain car in a way. Running out of room in the yard too. Gonna have to pull this string. And we'll see, maybe we'll just leave the hopper in there if he doesn't cause problems. He's empty. See what we can do with him, work with what we got. Make as few moves as possible. And that should do. We should be able to back up, head over to the lumber distributors. Forgot what I named that place. That's bad. It's been that long. Okay, get in here and throw a switch. Out the back door of the yard. Back down into lumber and metalworks tracks, diverting to the lumber track. $8 miles an hour, pretty good clip to see. We got him. Nope. There's that. I see that coupler on that red box car is open. Kind of to pinch it. And let's go get my good needle nose instead of working with those oversized blue ones. Hang on. Oh, by the way, happy Columbus Day. Railroad's working through. Okay, we'll see if we got him or not. It's hard to see in there. I think so. Pulling these empties. We're going to use the empties as a handle to grab the two loads sitting on the outer track, number 2 track. And that'll do. Step in, throw another switch. Get you up here so you can see what they're doing. See the track where they're going. Come on back and get these loads. It's all kind of broken up this time, so have to do some extra moves. Okay, let's stretch him. Oh, it didn't get it. I thought it did it. Acted like it slipped right in there. Bring him back. 10. Try again. Might be going off to the side. Kind of looks like. Take some pressure off so we can work the coupler. Yep. Okay, let's stop right there and fix this. 3-step. Just needed just a touch of help. Here we go. We still got time before they got an hour before they go to lunch. Got a quiet place to record today. Kind of got motivated last night about doing this. I rethunk it a couple times, and here we are. Okay, that'll do. 3-step, and we're going to throw a switch. Okay, let's shove them on back. No sense doing the bell because the guys clear out way down the yard lead. They never hear it back here. So you're relying on the conductor riding on the blue car to be the safety point. And that will do. Right there. So we got 2 boxcar loads in. Now we got to break the train in front of the evergreen. Take these 2 center beams out and the Milwaukee Road. And we got to get these 2 right up here. The catalyst and the stone container car, old one. I don't think they even exist now. So we got a break right here at the front of that center beam. Stand by. 3-step. That was really hard to see. Here we go. Okay, let's see here. How are we going to do this? Oh boy, I didn't do that right at all. But we didn't have room to leave him there. So I can see what we can do here. Going to take a few moves because we don't have room on a track. Well, either way, let's go back and do this over. I can make it easier. Hold on, we got to throw a switch. We don't have to throw a switch either. Here we go. Come back and couple up. Take the 2 center beams with us. Getting ahead of ourselves. Now let's break the train farther back. Let's stretch it. Did couple there. We'll come back here and break it to center beams where we should have done. Stand by. 3-step. That one was easier. There we go. Now we're doing better. Doing the right decision there. As a flub on a conductor. Engineer just sitting up there being dumb, just following whatever conductor says. So now, throw the switch on the ground here. 3-step. And here we go, shove them on back. Got to get that track touched up, painted, get rid of the silver solder. Have to move some cars out of the way, be able to do that. Always end up getting stuff all over the place if I don't. Okay, so we'll put them on number 2 track here. Good. And now we got to think about this. Okay, we got room. We've got room. We can break it to Milwaukee and a catalyst. And I'll be able to put those 2 loads over on the load track then, number 1. That'll work. Stretch it out a little bit. There we go. Just so we can uncouple. Takes the pressure off. 3-step. Eyes aren't doing so good today. Seeing double when I get the stick down in there. Here we go. That'll do right there. On the ground, throw the switch. 3-step. Hammer's jiggling, jumping. I don't know if I had the clamp too tight or what's going on. Here we go, back them up. We will use the bell this time. We're coming down the load track. Engines are close enough. Yeah, it's going to work out good. That'll do. Stretch them forward. Good. Stop right there. 3-step uncouple. Okay, now we can take our 3 empties. Actually 4 with a hopper. That hopper's causing trouble. Taking up space. That'll do. Okay, 3-step, throw the switch. Shove them back and get our empties. Okay, let's see if we got them stretched. Ooh, he's trying to hang on. It's close. Okay, back to the yard. Try to straighten it out in the yard. Ditch lights off. Get that river in there. Stony River. I'm going to stop right here. Okay, on the ground, throw the switch. This is where it's going to get tricky. So on the crossing, we'll play the bell. Only tricky because I don't know if we have enough room with these center beams. They're pretty long. Might have to take that hopper with us down the service track or something. Oh, that's where we just went by accident. How'd that happen? I don't know how that happened. We didn't drive through, we switched the wrong one. Didn't need that. Didn't need to throw that switch. 2 do-overs today. That's good. Stand by. Okay, here we go, shove them back. Go down the yard on the right track, which is number, looks like number 2 in the yard. Now we're going the wrong way uphill there. Good grief. That's the one we were supposed to throw. 3 do-overs. But who's counting? Extra run time. Crew's getting a workout. That conductor needs coffee, and so do I. Okay, let's try again. There's the switch I needed to throw. Take us in the yard. Set out the back door bypass. Old tripod really loose today. Okay, gotta be careful here. Those long center beams might catch a car, that intermodal car. He's good. Of course, the next one, that's about the same, I guess. That's it. Okay, to step in there and stretch. Don't step in. Stretch first. Right there. Now you can see we have a problem. They're sticking out. We can leave the Milwaukee Road, but, well, actually we can leave the hopper too. He's blocking the other track, but it's full. It's not going to be switched for a while yet. So we can break away right here at the engine. Rear engine, stand by. 3 steps. Okay, ready to go. Over the river and through the woods. That will do right there. We'll throw the service track switch this time. Here we go. People enjoying the river. It's settled back down to normal. We got drought here so bad. We had 1/100th inch of rain yesterday. So only 0.38 for the month so far. Supposed to get some tomorrow, maybe. Showers. Going to be cold. It looks like fall out there. Almost looks like winter. Looks like November. That'll do. Okay, let's shut them down. They'll go to Bob's early because it's Monday, even though it's a holiday, they're still switching. They may get another call up. We'll let them go now. It's 20 till 11. Let them go. Tie her down. Catch you guys on the next round. To the crew and everybody watching. Thanks for watching. Have a great week. Should have video coming out Wednesday. Take care. God bless. Happy Columbus Day. Double Diamond Railroad out.